Hello. In this video I'm going to show you how to find a fraction of a quantity. You could pause the video now and have a go at these questions to begin with. So with finding a fraction of a quantity, there are several ways you can do this, and I'm going to go straight to the calculator. This first problem, we've got 2/3 of 585 kgs. And remember, in maths, of generally means times. So we end up with 2/3 times 585. So on our calculator, we can enter 2/3 as a fraction. So 2, ABC button 3, and then times 585. So we get 390. So that's our answer. 390 kgs is 2/3 of 585. Another way we can do this is 2/3, we can use our division. So we can go 2 divided by 3, enter, and that's the decimal for 2/3, and then multiply by 585. So we can do that as well, 390. And another way we can do that is 2/3 is 2 divided by 3. So if I put that in brackets, 2 divided by 3, and then multiply that by 585, 390. So there are 3 different ways you can use your calculator to do these types of problems. Okay, second problem. What is 5/8 of 60 litres of water? So if I rewrite that as a mathematical statement, 5/8 of, so of meaning times, 60 litres. So straight to the calculator. So I'm going to enter it as a fraction, 5/8 times 60. Now you notice, because I use the fraction button, it will give the answer as a fraction. To change that to a decimal, because we're dealing with 60 litres, so our answer is going to be in litres, remember we can just use the FD button. So if you press the FD button now, it will change that to a decimal. So 37.5. So 37.5, and don't forget your units. So we're starting to get into a little bit of the word problems here. So our answers need to make sense, and we need to remember our units. Find 3/4 of $2,750. So if I rewrite that, 3/4 times 2,750. So I'm going to do it this way. 3 divided by 4, close brackets, times 2,750. 2062.5. So if I just write that, okay, that is not a complete answer. We're looking at a money amount, so we need our dollar sign, and so we've got $2,062.5. So that 0.5 means 0.5 of a dollar. So money amounts always need 2 decimal places, so I need to add a 0 there. The 0.5 means you've got 50 cents. Kelly uses 8/15 of 900 grams of rice. How much does she use? Okay, so she uses 8/15 times 900. And you don't have to put the unit in the sum, but you do need to put the unit in the answer. But I put it in the actual calculation to remind me that I'm dealing with grams, so an amount of rice. Okay, so 8 divided by 15, enter, and then times 900. So 480 grams is what she uses. So it's good to put a little statement at the end just to show the marker that you know what the answer means. Here's a couple more practical problems. You could pause the video now and have a go at these. This first problem Scientists say that people should normally sleep for 3/8 of a day. How much time should we spend sleeping? So what we don't know is we haven't given the actual quantity, but we do know that there are 24 hours in a day. So we're going to use that quantity there, and we want to find 3/8 of 24 hours. Okay, so that translates to 3/8 times 24. 3/8 times 24 is 9. So 9 hours. Next question. Josie spends 2/9 of her pay on clothes. If she gets paid $783, how much does she spend on clothes? We know she spends 2/9 of her pay. So her pay is $783. So we're finding 2/9 of 783. So change that to times. So 2/9, 2/9 times 783, get 174. So $174 is what she spends on clothes. Packet of mini Mars bars normally sells for $4.65. If Sarah pays 2/5 less than the normal price, how much does she pay? So there are like two steps for this problem. We do need to find what 2/5 of $4.65 is. She pays 2/5 less than $4.65. So what is 2/5 less of that? Well, first of all, find 2/5 of $4.65. Okay, and that is $1.86. So 2/5 is $1.86. So now we want to subtract $1.86 from $4.65. So that $1.86, that is actually the discount, if we're talking about a discount. So minus 186 so $2.79 is what she pays.